Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to film a really quick unboxing of my September BoxyCharms box. I actually wasn't supposed to, well, it said I wasn't supposed to get it until tomorrow, and I saw that it arrived a day earlier, which I never complain about, but I figure since I already have my makeup on, I might as well unbox it and film it for you guys. So this is what the box looks like. And then as soon as you open it, you get the little pamphlet here, and that always tells you this month's theme. So this one is all access, and on the back of it, it tells you all the products you're getting as well as the value of everything. I usually leave all that until the very end because I like to look in the box first instead of having this ruin the surprise. Kind of weird like that. So the first thing that I see is an eyeshadow palette from Violet Boss. This is their Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. And this is actually really pretty. So this is what it looks like. It has a lot of beautiful shades and beautiful tones. There are 5. There are 5 shimmer tones and 5 matte tones. So they actually look really, really pretty. So I am super excited. Normally what I do is, as long as I have enough products in a BoxyCharm box, I will do an unboxing and then I'll film a look using all of the products. So I'm not going to swatch anything right now, but I will save that for the next video. But that's actually really pretty, so I'm really excited about that. And then the next product that we have here is from Dr. Brandt. It's the Hydra Bionic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. So I've actually never really used a sleeping mask, but this is a really nice size. So it says apply mask to clean, dry skin before bedtime. Do not rinse and use nightly. So actually, let's see what it smells like. I do like smelling everything. So it's a nice, thick look. Actually, no, it looks thick, but it goes on really thin, and it feels really good. It's not sticky, and I don't really know exactly how to describe it. It kind of just smells healthy and clean. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it smells healthy and clean. So moving on to the next product that I received is the Mota. I think it's Mota Pro 5-piece deluxe eye kit. I absolutely love when they send brushes because all of the brushes that I've received in all of my boxes are probably hands down one of my favorite ones. So this one has a shade brush, a crease, detail smudge, and a line brush. So that's really nice. I'm actually going to open this because the handles look really nice. So these are the brushes. This one right here is the crease brush. This one right here is a smudger brush. This right here is the line, shade, and detail brush. And the grips on here, or the handles, sorry, they feel really good. It's really nice and sturdy. It doesn't feel like it's going to, it doesn't feel rubbery, and it doesn't feel like it's going to just kind of peel off. You know what I mean? But yeah, I'm really excited about these because I do have a couple of other Mota brushes. I think I'm saying that wrong, so yeah. But I do have a couple of their other brushes that I absolutely love. So really, really excited about that. And the next product that we have here is from Billion Dollar Brows, the Microblade Effect Brow Pen. And this is in the shade Dark. I've actually never used a brow blade brow pen before. So let's see what this looks like. So this is what it looks like. Let me just put my hand up and see if you can see it. It has little teeth combs, And let me see if I can swatch it. Looks like that could work for me. This is the shade, so I will definitely try that out and see how it goes. Hopefully I didn't swatch that on top of where I put the sleeping mask, but yeah, that actually looks like it could be pretty good. I don't know, we'll figure this out. I'll try it out and I'll let you guys know what I think. And the last product that we have here is from Hank and Henry. This is Slick with H. Blickety Black Long Wearing Liquid Eyeliner. So if you guys have seen my videos before and my BoxyCharm unboxings before, usually if I have a product or I receive a product that I'm already currently using something new, I don't like opening up anything like that right away. So I'm gonna hold off on this because I just started using a new eyeliner marker, but as soon as I do try it out, I will let you know what I think about it. But oh, and then before I forget, because I do get kind of sidetracked with a lot, I'm just going to go over the prices of everything. So the Violet Voss eyeshadow palette retails for $29. The Dr. Brandt Hydrobionic Recovery Sleeping Mask retails you for $52. The 5-piece brush kit retails for $27.95. The Hank and Henry eyeliner retails for $20, and the Billion Dollar Microblade brow pen retails you for $18. So yeah, this is actually a really good box. I was really excited about it. I know that they had a couple of different options as far as palettes, and I mean, I was going to be happy with any of them because all three of them looked amazing. But yeah, I was really glad that I got this. I think I'm going to have some fun with this palette. But yeah, I will definitely film a look using this and using the brushes, and I'm going to try out this sleeping mask also and let you guys know what I think about it. But yeah, I think that pretty much concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed this really quick unboxing. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.